second time through, guys, forgot to hit the record button. That other version was awesome. So what I got here is something that I'm planning to take on an upcoming beach vacation. I'm trying to different clothes, figuring out what I can bring for different photo shoots, what I can wear. So I got some mesh shorts. I have similar things to this. They don't fit great. There's some things I don't love about these, so I'm trying some different ones. This is straight off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the video description. Not affiliated. I paid for it with my own money. But I think this is called the Firutii brand. F-I-R-U-T-I-I. Men's exotic apparel. They have several different clothes on Amazon. So black mesh shorts. That's really what it is. And I bought these because I was unhappy with the fit of some of the ones that I had already. Either too short, too tight, uncomfortable. Mesh can be challenging in that it can be really abrasive. Right? It's not fun to wear at times. And it seemed like this brand may have solved that. And what I can tell so far, it's a much softer mesh, so you have less abrasion possibilities. So you basically got your swimsuit on underneath, and you can still see through the thing, but you're covered up a little bit. It's kind of a sexy, fun vibe. Maybe it's not the best thing still to wear to go get your Starbucks in the morning on a beach vacation, but I don't know, maybe you guys can get away with it. I'm not sure I'm there yet. What do you think? Should I do it? I don't know. I don't know if I want the public seeing that stuff or have them to see it. So I got the large. I was saying my awesomely made video is that the large it's not a generous large, so it's still pretty tight. I'm not gaining weight. I don't see an extra large from this brand. I think they would benefit by having one, give people more options. This one's a pretty good fit on me. It's not too baggy. It's not too tight. I perhaps would like it even a little, you get longer and it looks weird, like mesh basketball shorts even look more strange than this. So I think I'm happy with the size and shape. So that's the gist of it. It's just mesh shorts that you put your swimsuit on underneath. So let's try it on with something on underneath. Not sure I can put it all out here, but we're gonna give it a shot. Check out the video description for the link. I guess we'll also say that you can get this in white, red, very bright yellow, lime, and a pink. The pink actually sounds weird, but it looks pretty cool. I'm tempted for the white or pink, which if I get another one, maybe, I don't know. White seems easy, pink seems fun. What do you think? You got a vote? All right, let's try this thing on. Enjoy yourself, guys. Okay, here's the vibe. Here's the length. Drawstring, don't really need it. Probably could swim in this. I think it's mostly synthetic, so it would dry pretty quickly. You can kind of tell the length. It's got a little bit of room in the legs. Got some nice side stitching. So that's kind of what it looks like. You can see through the shorts to the swimsuit. Now, would you wear this? Pick up your Starbucks? Would you wear it in public with something like this on underneath? What do you think? Thanks for watching. Links in the video description to see more. Check out my fan sites. A lot of fun. Appreciate it. Enjoy yourself.